Yep. Okay, kita dah sampai di kes kita pada hari ni untuk check kambing pygmy. Kita dah check pygmy goat tadi, nak full health check up and nak bagi ubat cacing sekali. So tadi kita check, dia seekor betina dengan jantan. But so far health wise, I think she's okay. Bila kita datang tengok, dia punya jantung okay. Dia punya peparu untuk betina tu, bunyi dia masih okay. How is the appetite?
Oh, they eat a lot.
Eat a lot,
I give them the soybean hull.
Okay.
And then also the hay.
Okay.
Yes.
Alfalfa.
Yes.
Okay. Tetapi dia ada batuk-batuk sikit. Tapi dia simptom tu start dengan jantan tu dulu. So jantan tu bila tepuk tadi memang dapatlah, tapi tak seteruk yang saya anggap. Yep. Tepuk. Lepas tu bila check memang ada bunyi wheezing dekat dia punya lung tu waktu tengah tarik nafas tu. So we gave antibiotics for 5 days to treat the infection. For the girl, one injection. And that's about it.
Okay.
Yep. Yep, that's all.
Alright.
Tadi dah ajar owner untuk cara nak bagi injection tu untuk lagi 4 dos. And then when I check the temperature, both were normal. Go to check your temperature. Suhu diorang tak adalah demam. Sebab suhu kambing biasa pun dia 39 hingga 39.5. So suhu diorang normal, so dia tak demam lah. Lepas tu kita bagi dia juga ubat cacing jenis minum tu. Alright. Dan saya check usia betina tu. Yep, she has one set of adult teeth already. Yep. Her front tu is very adult. Dia dah dapat satu set dewasa lah. Tapi gigi tepi-tepi dia bukan dewasa lagi, belum dewasa lagi. Dia tengah membesar lagi. Tapi dia dah jantan tu dah ada ciri-ciri untuk panjat betina tu lah. So dah advise dekat owner untuk pastikan asingkan dua-dua. I juga bagi tahu yang diorang akan membesar sikit lagi. Yep, they are both still growing. I would say in their teenager phase. That's why he's beginning to mount her. So they're reaching the sexual maturity.
Okay, understand.
Lepas tu owner takut dia mungkin dah jadi pregnant. Tadi bila kita scan memang nampak uterus dia punya rahim memang kosong lah, tak ada baby ke apa. So dia tak pregnant. Okay, she's not pregnant. From what I see here, she looks quite empty. Lagi satu, tadi owner ada cakap juga ada macam satu benjolan dekat dia punya bawah belly dia lah, perut dia. This is not a lump actually, but that is actually his pee-pee's opening.
Understand.
Yeah, the foreskin.
Oh.
Yep. Tadi bila angkat bukan benjolan, dia sebenarnya kulit hadapan dia punya zakar lah untuk jantan tu. So benda tu normal, tak ada masalah. It looks like he likes to trim your plants.
Yes.